However you look at it, the word gezellig is a difficult word to spell and say, and sometimes we can feel like that about our creativity. But this online 8-week retreat is anything but challenging and difficult. In fact, it is 8 weeks of joy and comfort. It is 8 weeks of society and community. It is 8 weeks of exploring just how creative and brilliant you are. With constant availability to online support and guidance throughout the 8 weeks, we will soon have your house full of rainbows and your hearts full of joy. Jolene and Lucy look forward to welcoming you into your new creative home.